Hi everyone, this is Jason, also known as Barnstormer on HelloFreak.com. I've seen a lot of questions in the Compass forum as to how to remove these little flange bearings from this yoke that attaches the blade grip to the swash plate. I figured I'd do a video and show you guys how I do it. Mainly this is what I need. Needle nose pliers, little box, something to prop the yoke up on, and a soldering iron. I use an adjustable one. I got mine set at 20 watts. Every time I've had a problem taking these out, it's usually been from overheating the part. Once you overheat it, you're screwed. So hopefully I won't screw it up doing it this time, but here we go. I usually just pull this out and I'll just hold this on here. I want to keep moving it around a little bit to distribute the heat. This might take 30 seconds or a minute, maybe a little bit longer, never really sure. If you end up melting the plastic tube, the little Delrin tube, then you definitely got it way too hot. It's starting to get warm already. It's really not going to take all that much. The problem you run into is if you just get it too hot, or if you apply heat for too long, you can end up heating the bearing up, and then it won't come out. And as you see, that's all it took. Not too much. Only warm to the touch, but not really hot. Well, I mean hot. I wouldn't want to hold on to it non-stop, but definitely not hot enough to burn the Delrin tube. And that's it. Hopefully this might help some of you guys out. I'll see if I can get this together and get it posted up tonight. Alright, good luck everyone. See you soon.